As a family-owned business, Amtech is driven by our core values. These are the defining traits that tie into our fundamental purpose for being, which is to pay it forward. Every employee at Amtech represents our core values, and that helps us to continue to steer our ship in the right direction. Amtech's core values are the following. Dedicated, experiencing progress through dedication to the job at hand. Creative, solve issues by discovering an innovative and creative approach. High standards, understanding that increase in prosperity starts with setting higher standards for oneself. Growth mindset, massive individual growth through believing talent can be developed through hard work, good strategies, and input from others. Ubuntu, success through servant leadership. This coupled with the belief that my success is our success, and our success is my success. Genuine, achieve greater growth and profitability by putting honesty in motion. Gratitude, realize increased well-being and self-development by eliminating a victim mindset through gratitude. The combination of these core values help us deliver the best products possible to a wide range of customers who need electronics manufacturing, including automotive, healthcare, and more. We hold our values and culture very sacred here at Amtech and use them to help to make sure we have the right people to keep us moving in the right direction.